Good morning, students. Today we have see how to solve a crypt arithmetic problem with appropriate strategy and steps. In this type of problem, we have see two type of text is given, and with the help of addition, we have generate a crypt arithmetic text. In this example, we have see our first text is SEND and our second text is MORA, and with the help of addition for text 1 and text 2, we can generate our crypt arithmetic text is MONPY. In this type example, we have predict a value for every alphabet, and that value is unique. And we can predict a value between 0 to 9. So we can start how to solve this type of problem. Okay. First, we have divide our text 1 and text 2 into 5 columns. We can say column 1 has D plus E and it can generate the Y. Column 2 say N plus R and it can generate the E. Column 3 say E plus O and it can generate the N. Column 4 say S plus M and it can generate O. And column 5 has only one alphabet like M. So we can easily predict the column number 5 alphabets. We can predict the M value between 0 to 9 because we can only predict value between 0 to 9. Suppose we have predict the highest value among this number like 9 or 8. So we can say S is equal to 9 and M is equal to N. So it can generate 17. So it can generate a carry like 1. So we can easily predict the value of M is equal to 1. Okay. So, but it is not possible because here we can say two distinct value for the M. First is equal to N and second is equal to 1. It is not possible. So we can apply another way, like we can say here the resulting sum is 5-digit number, like 9999 plus 999 is less than 20,000. So we can easily consider M is equal to 1, not 8. So in this example, we have considered M is equal to 1, and we can write like that. For next column, we can consider column number 3. Okay. So we can see here 999 plus 999 is less than 2000 for column number 3. So here are two possibilities, like column number 3 generate the carry for column number 4, or it cannot generate any carry for column number 4. Okay. So first condition we have checked if no carry over column number 3. Okay. So we can write column number 4 like S plus 1 is equal to 10 plus O, and we can apply this equation number 1. So S is equal to 9 plus O. For we can apply no carry for column number 3, but we can apply a carry for column number 3. So we can write column number 4 like S 1 plus S plus 1 is equal to 10 plus O. So S is equal to 8 plus O. Okay. Since we can say S is a single digit, so it must be 0 or 1 for the O. So we can predict O is equal to 0 or O is equal to 1. Okay. But we can see 1 is already assigned for the M. So we can easily predict O is equal to 0 for this example. Okay. So our next value is O is equal to 0. Okay. So we can find out M and O value. Okay. So we can apply O is equal to 0. So E is not equal to N. So we cannot have E plus O is equal to N. Because suppose we can apply the value of E is equal to 5. So it is easily apply the value of N, and in this example we cannot predict same value for the two alphabet. So we can must have 1 plus e plus 0 is equal to n, and it possible when carry over column number 2. So since n is not equal to 0, so we have said e is less than 9. It is possible when column number 3 cannot produce any carry over column number 4. So we can easily apply the value of O in our equation number 1. So s plus 1 is equal to 10. So we can easily find out the value of s is equal to 9. So here we can find out the m, o and s value. Since e is not equal to n, so we have cannot write e plus 0 is equal to n. So we have generate a carry for column number 2. So we can write column number 3 like 1 plus e is equal to n, and we can consider is equation number 2. So we can write column number 2 like n plus r is equal to 10 plus e. Okay, we can put the n value. So 1 plus e plus r is equal to 10 plus e. So r is equal to 9, but r is equal to 9 is not possible because s is equal to 9 we have already predict. So we can generate a carry from column number 1. So we can write column number 2 like 1 plus n plus r is equal to 10 plus e. So we can easily find out r is equal to 8. So our next value is r is equal to 8. Okay, so we have find out m, o, s and r value. In our last slide we have seen carry over column number 1. Okay, so y is not equal to 0 or 1, so we must have generate equation for column number 1 like d plus e is greater than or equal to 12. Okay, since we have predict the value of d and e, suppose we have predict the value of d and e is 8 or 9, but it is not possible because s and r value has 9 and 8. Suppose we have predict the value of d and e is 7, 5 or 6, and it can generate a value of y is greater than 12. So suppose we have predict e is equal to 7 or d is equal to 7. Okay, but e is equal to 7 we have predict, then we have applied that value in equation number 2. So we have easily find out the value of n, but n is equal to 8. Okay, with the equation of equation 2, but it is not possible because the value of r is same for the value of n. So n is equal to 8 is not possible. So e is equal to 7 is also not possible. So we can easily find out the value of d is equal to 7 and the value of e is equal to 5 or 6. Okay, if we have considered e is equal to 6 and we can apply into equation number 2, so we can find out the n is equal to 7. It is not possible because d is equal to 7 we have already predict. So we have easily consider e is equal to 5 and we can apply this equation number 2. So we can easily find out the value of n. Okay, so we have find out the e is equal to 5 and n is equal to 6. So finally we can apply this value for column number 1 and we can find out the value of y. So value of y is equal to 12. Okay, so we can find out the y is equal to 2 and it can generate the carry for column number 2. Okay, so this way we have find out the value of every alphabet.